Platy on my shoulder, and I made a poem all about him. Platy the Platypus by Ezekiel Rutledge. Platy's a platypus. A lovable one too, and sometimes on the inside he feels a little bit blue. Adorably fun, although he totally has no thumb. Alas, he's furry, and like a cat purry. He's also utterly adorable, and sometimes a little bit of a dumb bum. Bye!
What is the name of your class?
Bye-bye, Copper class.
But when it's really windy, I like to fly my kite. My teddy's name is Bindi. She is colourful and fluffy. I love to take her everywhere, but she doesn't like it when she's scruffy. I like to ride my bike. It is like soaring through the air, racing, rolling, rushing to my secret lair. My teddy is my favourite. She is by far the best. Spinning, skipping, having lots of fun. When the day is done, she needs to have a rest. Thank you for watching.
Hi, my name's Ocean, and this is my submission for Poetry Idol. And the title is Toys. Toothless glides, toothless glides. Airplanes dive, airplanes dive. You know cards stealing out, you know cards stealing out. Lego building, Lego building. Pool noodle sword fight, pool noodle sword fight. Scooters whipping, scooters whipping. Bikes doing wheelies, bikes doing wheelies. Slingshots pinging, slingshots pinging.
I like Starlight because they make me bright, and I play with girls and boys and toys.
Toys are a real epidemic, filling the world with unbiodegradable plastic. In the oceans, streams, rivers and creeks, they have even made their way onto birds' beaks. It's all got to go, it interrupts our flow. Coles and Woolworths with their plastic bribes. Don't the parents realise? As the conscious ones look on like flies, these toys aren't making our kids wise. As people scramble to find a solution, dolphins are choking on the pollution. Kids don't need what big brands make. Most kids will find joy in a single snowflake. Kids should get out in Mother Nature. She's the one that should raise you. Surfing the oceans and climbing a tree. These activities are wild and free. For me personally, I spend time with animals, land and sea. That makes me happy and feel free. Crocodiles I greet with a smile. A snake or a shark, I'll open my heart. Dogs, frogs, things that live under logs, in bogs. I even love warthogs. My friends live in trees, in mountains, and that lizard in the water fountain. With animals I am happy, no toys for me. I like to live wild and free.
Stuffed animals, Barbie dolls, human figures out of toilet rolls, outside for a run, things you have when you were young. Skateboard, shoes, hats and clothes, surfboard, guitars, iPads and phones, kicking a ball on the football team, things you have when you're a teen. Cars, motorbikes, caravans, fishing rods, reels and tools, sewing machines and motorboats, office space and pools, a mansion on the hills over Yallingup, things you have when you grow up. Girls and boys, we all need toys. Whether you're old or young, don't miss out on the fun.
I wrote this poem, A Toy to Be Loved. Every boy and girl needs a toy. They bring so much love and joy. They take good care of you when you are feeling blue.
So if you have a spare one laying around undone, give it to a child today to make them feel okay. Because every boy and girl needs a toy. They bring so much love and joy. You'll see that child all alone. Cuddle the toy you have outgrown. It'll make you feel the love. To see that toy get so much love, just like your very own. For that little girl or boy, because every boy and girl needs a toy. They bring so much love and joy. This poem is about Sophie's special toy. I wrote, Sophie has a special toy. It's a lovable monkey. She's always there for what she has to bear. At each little test she has, all the operations, there she was. She was given to her with love by her nan that had so much love. Sophie's lovable monkey holds a special key. She loves her and she'll always be with her. Broken Toys by Miss Toshi. The world is filled with broken toys, toys that were not handled with care, played with a little too rough and forgotten in the harsh night air. Angels with their wings pulled off, soldiers with no heads, dollies with broken smiles, and faces with skin painted red. Broken toys are all worn out, their happiness stolen away. They drift in the back of a closet with no mouth for which to say. Play with me and love me, I can still bring joy this day. Broken toys are forgotten toys, beating the time until they are all thrown away.
The Toys Playtime by Tony Mitten. When we go to bed at the end of the day, the toys wake up and start to play. They wait until we're fast asleep, then they come alive and out they creep. The ball goes bouncing, the doll does a dance, the little ponies preen and prance, the toy car roars across the room, the rocket takes off, zoom! The robot reads a picture book, then Teddy comes and takes a look. And all the time we're sleeping tight, the toys are playing through the night. But when the sunlight warms our faces, the toys sit quietly in their places. They do not move. They make no noise. You don't fool us, you naughty toys.